Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Master Tech Lab. When we talk about expensive laptops or phones, we immediately buy them. But when it comes to software, we say, why we buy software? Download it from the internet for free. But for saving little money can cost you more. Installing Crack Office in your computer comes with a virus. Your system is hacked and gradually it starts running slowly. And you don't even know. Now think for yourself that if is it there any software which provides all features of MS for free, then why do you need to download junk cracking Office in your system? Why take a risk with your system? So in today's video, I'm going to tell you something about the softwares that you can use alternatively in the place of MS Office. You do not need to have installed any crack software, and I will also tell you that how you can use MS software for free. Now you will say, how? But be patient. Before you know it, subscribe my channel if you are new, and if you find this video informative, like and share it with others. Next software, which is LibreOffice. This is also a best alternative of MS Office. This is also absolutely free. LibreOffice is a free and open office suite. LibreOffice support all the formats of MS Office like Docs, Excel, PowerPoint, PPTX or XLX. It supports all formats. You can also use and download this software free in Mac operating system, Linux operating system, and in Windows operating system. The third software, which is WPS, I'm pretty sure that everyone has already heard about it. This is also a very popular alternative software of MS Office. The personal basic version of this software is free to use. This software can be used in Windows, Linux, Mac and iOS operating system. This software is combination of three components: WPS Writer, WPS Presentation, WPS Spreadsheet. Writer is compatible with Word, Presentation is compatible with PPT PowerPoint, and the spreadsheet is compatible with Excel. The last software of this video is online web application, through which you can legally use this software online. Yes, I'm talking about Office.com. Simply go to Office.com. Basically, this is an official website of Microsoft Office. You can easily use it online. Simply you have to go to URL and type office.com and sign into Microsoft Office. After that, this type of screen will appear and you can find all options here. Here you can use it free without download, and software you can use it free. You can do basic things here like editing on MS Office, any changing in text, or you need to do any changings in Excel or PowerPoint. You can do easily here. Hope so you got helpful information from this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and like and share this video to others. Goodbye until the new video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.